This is an example of a blind contour drawing. Now this is the same thing, following the contour, the outline of the object. This time we'll be using a face. So you will be looking at either a friend or a family member, and you'll be looking away at your actual subject. So for example, if the person is sitting across from me, I will be doing the drawing, but I will not be looking at my paper. So let me do an example. So I have my subject sitting away from me, and the whole time I am just following my eye with the outer edge of their face. So it's just like my eye is tracing their face and my hand is doing the drawing, but I'm not looking at my paper. Now this takes a lot of concentration. It's hard for me to do this and talk at the same time. But your activity will be to do 3 blind contour drawings. So that means that you need to find a friend or a family member and have them sit for you. You will then look at them and do a drawing of them, but you cannot look at your paper. I usually do this activity in class, in my lecture classes, and it's really fun to see the students laugh, and the first thing everybody says when they're done is sorry, because it doesn't look like them. Their eyes will be across the paper, or their mouth will be outside of the actual face. And this exercise is just for observation. Right? The more that you do these drawings, the better your drawings get, because you actually begin to focus. So here I'm finished. It looks nothing like my subject, but you get the idea. I'm not looking at the paper, I'm looking at the actual object, or my person that I'm drawing. So it's the same idea, contour drawing, a continuous line. You do not pick up your paper. Pick up your pen, I'm sorry. So you will be doing 3 blind contour drawings, as well as the 3 contour drawings. So I will do one more example. Again, I have my subject sitting away from me, and I am not looking at my paper. So this time I'm going to start with the eyes, and I will start from there. Remember, I'm not picking up my pen, and I'm just doing a continuous line, following the outlines of the actual nose, and finding my way down to the mouth. I'm doing this rather quickly because it is an example, but when you do yours, take your time and really slowly follow that contour of the face. And just try to imagine that your eye is actually tracing that, doing the tracing. Do not try to look at your paper. Have the person that you're sitting with make sure that you do not look at your paper. And these drawings are actually kind of fun to do with friends. It's kind of a cool activity. So here it is, I'm finished, and wow, my eyes are very off, but it looks a lot better than the first one. So like I said, with practice and concentration, the drawings get better. So your project is 3 blind contour of the face, not looking at the paper. I hope you enjoy and can't wait to see your drawings.